Airbus A220-100. First designed by Bombardier Aviation, known as C100 series. Then renamed by Airbus after they acquired more than 50% of the program. First flight September 16, 2013. Production started 2012 till present. With mostly used by Delta, Swiss, and Air Canada Airlines. As previous known, the Airbus A220 was designed from the Bombardier C series, which are narrow-body, twin-engined airliners specifically designed for efficient and compact travel, but not as large as other airliners, making it compact and able to land in many other airports. It was originally marketed by Airbus, however designed and built by Canadian manufacturer known as Bombardier Aerospace. Airbus A220 specifications. Length, 114 feet. Wingspan, 115 feet. Height, 38 feet. Capacity, 135 seatings. Range, 3,450 nautical miles. And powered by two Pratt & Whitney turbofans.